histograms using Matplotlib. Hi, welcome to this lesson. Basically, histograms are a useful type of statistics plot for problem solvers. A histogram is a type of bar plot that shows the frequency or number of values compared to a set of value ranges. Now it's time to take a simple example to build the histogram. We have a simple program here and you can see the output. You can see our histogram in this case. So let me tell you what we did here. First of all, you can see the imports for NumPy and Matplotlib. And there is a new line here called plt.style.use function. And we placed inside single quotes 538 inside the parentheses of that function. This line is included to style the plot to look like plots on 538.com. After that you can see mu, sigma and np.random.normal function. This is a simple NumPy's function. The np.random.normal function is used to create an array of random numbers with a normal distribution. And there are three arguments here passed to np.random.normal function. And these arguments are mu or mean, sigma or standard deviation, and size or length of the array. Then the subplots function for fig and x. Also we used the x.hist function from the Matplotlib library. This method or function is used to build the histogram, and in this case it has two arguments, x and 20. The first argument passed to x.hist function or method corresponds to the list or array of values to plot, and the second argument, 20 in this case, corresponds to the number of bins or number of bars on the histogram. Then x.setTitle function to add a title for our histogram. This title is new histogram. Then x.setXLabel to add a label text for the x-axis, and also for the y-axis using x.setYLabel. Also we used the tileLayout function or method, and this method will only adjust the subplot params when it is called, and we called fig in this case. And finally we placed plt.show function to visualize the histogram after all of that. And you can take a look at this drawing or this graph. This is a simple histogram called the new histogram, as you can see. This is the histogram title, new histogram. The x-axis label text is bin range, and the y-axis label text is frequency in the left side. As you can see, it is very simple and easy. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I'm here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching.